Are you overwhelmed with your dirty and cluttered laundry room? You won't be after I share with you these steps that you need to take to create a laundry room you love. Join me. Don't feel overwhelmed whenever you look at your laundry room. Don't get discouraged. Chaos and clutter happens, and the laundry room is one of the most used areas of the house. I have created a laundry room organization challenge for you to get organized. There is a link to this challenge down below in the description of the video. So here is our laundry room organization challenge. We're going to go over this. You can either use the link down below to print off your own, or you can just make some notes while we're talking during this video and write down all of these steps. All right, step 1, remove everything from your laundry room. Place a trash can and 3 laundry baskets at the door of your laundry room. 1 laundry basket is for other rooms, another is for dirty clothes, while the remaining basket is for keep. Start removing things from your laundry room using the laundry baskets and the trash can. Take everything out of the room except for the washer and dryer and anything else that is a permanent fixture. Clean out your broom closets and all of your cabinets. Everything in the room must go. Throw away trash and empty containers of detergent. After your laundry room is completely empty, grab the other room's basket and do a quick walkthrough of your house. Drop off items in the correct rooms and put things away if you can. Step 2, cleaning. And I have a whole list of cleaning. Clean and wipe down your washer and dryer. Wipe and dust the floors. Wipe and dust baseboards. Wipe and dust windowsills. Dust your ceiling. Wipe your walls. Mop your floor. Deep clean your windows. Deep clean your dryer vent. Wipe clean your dustpans. Clean and wipe your laundry baskets. Wipe cabinets outside and inside. Clean your linen closet. Wash your trash can. Clean and scrub your sink. Deep clean your washer. Wipe and sanitize your doorknobs. Sweep and mop behind your washer and dryer. Dust and wipe light fixtures. Clean and remove debris from broom and mop. Clean your carpets. Complete any necessary repairs. I also have a note right here where it says deep clean washer on step 2. Deep clean your washer by using 3/4 to 1 cup of bleach and running an empty washer's full cycle using hot water. Now I want you to watch. If you have a septic system, do not overdo this bleach. You're going to want to use a 1/2 cup to a 3/4 of a cup. Putting too much bleach in your septic system is not a very good thing. So let's try to avoid that. Okay, on to step 3, organizing. You have sorted through everything that was inside your laundry room and cleaned the area from top to bottom, including all those repairs that we've been putting off for a long time. Now it is time to reintroduce your necessary cleaning supplies and other items back into the space to ensure everything is organized. Use labeled bins and baskets to hold things. Don't just set things on shelves. Have designated places for your laundry soap, your dryer sheets, your mop, your broom, everything. Everything needs its own spot. Always put things back in their designated area after using them. Do not set your laundry detergent on the counter when it belongs in the cabinet. Do not lean your broom up against the wall in the laundry room when it belongs in the closet. Always put things back where they belong. This will really help to keep you on track. Step 4, personalize. Make your laundry room more inviting by personalizing it. Add a family photo on the wall or put a plant on the counter. Maybe you collect old washboards that you could display on the walls or on the shelf. Do something in the laundry room to make it a place you want to be, a warm and inviting area of your home. Let's face it, we spend so much time in the laundry room, it might as well be a place that we like to come to. Step 5, washing. Now it is time to wash, dry, fold, and put away every piece of dirty laundry that was in your laundry room. Do not stop until you have finished every last load. Step 6, don't stop. You did it. You have cleaned and organized your entire laundry room from top to bottom. You also washed and put away everything, all your laundry. You succeeded in your challenge and should be celebrating. From this point on, stay on top of your laundry and laundry room. Put items back where they belong after you use them. Get yourself on a laundry schedule of daily or weekly so the dirty clothes never pile up again. Don't stop being organized and keeping your laundry room clean just because your challenge is over. This challenge was just the start of a beautiful relationship between you and your laundry room. Don't you ever stop loving that room. So you are going to use your laundry room organizational challenge to get yourself started and on the right track. And then you're going to use your laundry room checklist for daily, weekly, monthly, and every 6 months worth of what we're going to do to stay on track. Both of these forms, I have a link to both of these forms down below in the description. However, you do not have to print them off from me if you don't want. You can simply take a notebook and an ink pen and jot this stuff down so you never forget it, and it's always easily accessible for you to do. Please share this video with all your friends. Give me a thumbs up. Show me that you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organization and cleaning videos. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.